Hey, everyone, need a reliable tool for accurate measurements? Today, we're diving into the best Fluke multimeters, renowned for their precision, durability, and advanced features. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, these top picks will help you tackle electrical tasks with confidence. Stay tuned to discover our favorites and check the description for links to these must-have tools. Let's get measuring. Fluke 115 Digital Multimeter. The Fluke 115 Digital Multimeter is designed for effortless one-handed operation, featuring a large backlit display and a compact ergonomic design ideal for small spaces. It measures true RMS voltage and current, resistance, continuity, frequency, and capacitance. The min-max average function tracks signal fluctuations, and the large white LED backlight ensures visibility in low-light conditions. The multimeter includes a user manual, a 4mm silicone test lead set, and an installed 9-volt battery. With a Cat 3 600-volt safety rating and portable size, it is well-suited for field service technicians dealing with various electrical and electronic systems. Fluke 101 Digital Multimeter. The Fluke 101 Digital Multimeter is a compact and portable tool, weighing only 6.1 ounces and fitting easily into a pocket. It measures AC and DC voltage up to 600 volts, continuity, and resistance up to 40 megohms. The multimeter features a large backlit display, auto power off, and operates on a supplied battery. Its removable holster serves as a tilt stand, and it complies with IEC 6100101:2001 and 6004-30 standards. While it does not measure current overload or capacitance, it includes a 9-volt battery, test leads, and a user manual, offering reliable performance for small electrical troubleshooting. Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter. The Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter is equipped with true RMS measurement for accurate readings in uncertain quantities. It features integrated non-contact voltage detection and autovolts functionality, making it ideal for electricians. The multimeter provides min and max average readings, measures frequency and capacitance, and includes a large white LED backlit display for use in poorly lit areas. Its ergonomic design enhances ease of use, making it suitable for demanding environments like commercial buildings, hospitals, and schools. The Fluke 117 includes a holster and detachable probes, ensuring convenience and accuracy on the job. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect Fluke multimeter. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you in the next video.